In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear the rules in Excel. If your worksheet is lighting up with colors, icons, or data bars because of conditional formatting, and you want to quickly remove those automated styles, this process is simple and safe for your data. Conditional formatting rules are instructions that tell Excel to format cells based on their values, like highlighting numbers above a threshold. Clearing rules removes those instructions. It does not delete the numbers, text, or formulas underneath. We'll start on the Home tab. On the ribbon, look for the Styles group and click Conditional Formatting. This opens the menu where all the conditional options live. From here, choose Clear Rules. That's the command dedicated to removing the rules that are driving the highlights and icons you're seeing. When you click Clear Rules, Excel gives you two choices. The first is Clear Rules from selected cells. Use this when you only want to clean up a specific area without touching the rest of the sheet. If you plan to use this option, make sure the cells you care about are already highlighted so Excel knows exactly where to act. The second choice is Clear Rules from entire sheet. Pick this when you want a clean slate across the whole worksheet, wiping out every conditional formatting rule on that sheet in a single click. Keep in mind this affects only the current sheet, not other sheets in the workbook. After clearing, the cells will revert to their underlying formatting. If you had manual formats applied, like a font color you set yourself, those stay. Only the automatic changes driven by rules disappear. If you clear more than you intended, press Undo to instantly bring the rules back. A few quick tips for a smooth experience. If you don't see the look of a cell change after clearing, it may never have had a rule to begin with, or it may be inheriting a table style or a manually applied format. Also, if multiple ranges had rules and you want consistent results, the entire sheet option is the fastest way to remove them all at once. That's it. Click Conditional Formatting, choose Clear Rules, and then decide between selected cells or entire sheet based on how wide you want the cleanup to be. You'll have a clutter-free, accurate-looking worksheet in seconds.